Hi everyone, welcome to Question AI video. Question 1-2. A student woke up with a fever, body aches, chills, and a cough. The student was diagnosed with the flu, which is caused by a virus. Based on this information, should the student take antibiotics? Option 1. Yes, because it is generally safe to take antibiotics. Option 2. Yes, because the virus will be controlled with antibiotics. Option 3. No, because the infection was viral and antibiotics do not target viruses. Option 4. No, because the viral infection. Want the full explanation? Check out the details below for the complete answer.